Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, you need to select while using the app and allow in all of them. Then click on Home button. Over here you need to choose iOS Launcher, tap on Remember My Choice, click on iOS Launcher again and select Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Xiaomi. But if you wish to, you can always switch between those layouts by going into Settings, scrolling down and tapping on Apps over here. Then choose Manage Apps, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Default Apps. Finally, click on Launcher and select System or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!